Have you ever pondered on the secret to manifesting abundance in your life? Today, we're diving deep into this concept, breaking it down into easy, actionable steps. So buckle up and prepare for a transformative journey. Often, the term abundance is associated solely with financial prosperity. However, abundance extends far beyond just material wealth. It encompasses a richness of mind, body, and spirit. It's about having an overflow of joy, health, happiness, love, creativity, and everything else that enriches life. The first step to manifesting abundance is cultivating a mindset of abundance. It's about shifting from scarcity thinking to abundance thinking. This is the foundation upon which all other steps are built. Start by recognizing the abundance that already exists in your life. It could be the love of your family, the beauty of nature around you, or the joy of a simple morning cup of coffee. By acknowledging these, you program your mind to recognize abundance, attracting more of it into your life. Next, define what abundance means to you. This is a very personal journey, and your definition of abundance might differ from others. Maybe it's about having more time to spend with your loved ones, or perhaps it's about achieving a state of inner peace. Whatever it is, make it clear and set your intentions. Now comes the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can shift your mindset from lack to abundance. Be thankful for what you have now and what's yet to come. This sends a powerful message to the universe that you're ready for more abundance. The fourth step is to visualize your abundance. Imagine your life as you want it to be, filled with all the abundance you seek. Hold this image in your mind, feel it, believe in it. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires into reality. Lastly, take action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing. It's also about taking action towards your desires. The universe responds to your actions, not just your thoughts. So start taking small steps towards your abundance. In conclusion, manifesting abundance involves cultivating a mindset of abundance, defining what abundance means to you, practicing gratitude, visualizing your abundance, and taking action towards it. Remember, abundance is not just about having, it's about being. It's about living in a state of enough and more. So embark on this journey of manifesting abundance and enrich every area of your life. Remember, the journey to abundance starts with a single step, and that step can be taken right now.